Hello everybody, this is Ian Lamont, publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, available from in30minutes.com. Today I'm going to be showing you how to delete history in the Firefox browser. The approach I'm going to show you, some of the steps work in either Windows or Mac, but one particular step is only applicable to Mac. It will be a little bit different in Windows. But anyways, let me just get started and we'll get to what's going on here. So here's the situation. I have Firefox browser right here. I want to erase some of the history some of the sites that I've been browsing, and basically I want to set it up in certain ways, so I'm only deleting certain things but not everything. So there's a couple ways to do it. One is just to go to the History tab at the top of the screen. This is in Windows or Mac, and you can select this item right here, Clear Recent History, and that will clear your recent history. You'll have an option to select what you want to clear. The other thing you can do is you can go to Show All History. You can use a keyboard shortcut, and this is a Mac, so it's Command Y. Windows would be Control Y, and select that. And then what you can do, you'll see a list of all the stuff you've been browsing. Today, yesterday, last 7 days, December 2020, November 2020, etc. So let's say that I wanted to erase YouTube. All I need to do is select the item and then click delete, and it will erase it. And I can continue to press the delete button or backspace button. That will get rid of it. The other thing I can do is pretty interesting. I can select a period. So let's say December 2020, highlight it here on the left, then go to the gear icon on the top and select delete. That's actually going to erase. Let's make sure it's selected here. Let's do it this way. Select history, then select December 2020, then go to gear icon and select delete. And that's going to erase all the items in December 2020. It's going to take a little bit of time because there's actually quite a few items there. So you may see a, please wait while this is, yeah, there we go. There's a spinning beach ball in Mac. Please wait while it deletes it all because there's quite a few items. And then there's finally one other thing I want to show you. In the Mac version, you can control the history and delete history from the preferences. So you go to Firefox, Preferences. Windows will be a little bit different. I'm not sure where it's set up right now. But basically, you want to go to the Firefox Preferences or Options. You'll come to this particular screen. It's loading up. I think it's slow because I just deleted a whole batch of stuff. Come on. There we go. So select Privacy and Security on the left, and then go down. You'll come to the History section. So first of all, there are some settings you can do. You can select right here. Clear history when Firefox closes. That's actually pretty useful. It will basically delete everything in your history when you close out the browser or shut down the computer for the day. The other thing you can do is just select this button here, Clear History. Time range to clear. So I can do some really fine-grained control. Like the last 2 hours, I want to delete that, and I'd hit OK. Note also there's an option to delete everything. So these are the hundreds of sites or maybe even thousands of sites I visited on Firefox. If I select that, all selected items will be cleared. This action cannot be undone, and hit OK. That would delete everything. And maybe that's what you want to do. For more information on how to get the most out of the technology you use every day, check out in30minutes.com, In 30 Minutes Guides, and also my In 30 Minutes YouTube channel. I advise subscribing to it now if you liked what you saw. And also, if you want to see more about the books or the other guides that we publish, go to in30minutes.com. If you click on blog, you can see more videos and blog posts about these types of technologies. This is Ian Lamont signing off. Thank you so much for watching.